turn that wheel back.
So we got a call for some sort of Nissan truck out at Sand Hollow by the West Rim Trail. So we're headed out there. Eric's behind the wheel in the Moravere. We also got Trevor.
I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm here.
How's the weather today?
Oh, it's beautiful. It's clear. Every time I say not a cloud in the sky, everybody corrects me, but there's almost no clouds in the sky. No wind. Wonderful.
It's a great day to have a birthday, and today's my birthday. Oh my gosh. We should be cake decorators, right?
Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lizzy.
And we got Michael.
If Trevor falls, I'll be sure to get the best angle for you guys.
So anyway, we're headed out there, so follow along for the ride.
We'll get them out.
Is it bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
Bigger?
Yeah. So it's just right up here. I can just have you guys follow me if you want.
Perfect, sounds good. So, looks like we're following the customer up to the vehicle, and we'll go from there.
That was fancy.
Why are you always trying to show off, Eric?
Because when you got tools to make it work, you make it work. Yeah, it's not in a real good spot, is it?
Winching?
Yeah, that way we got more control over it right here. What did that look right there?
Okay, come on.
You in four-wheel drive still? Okay, let's have you just back onto the flat right here.
How's it in here, Trevor?
It's all good.
All good?
Yeah, not bad at all. Too bad over there, isn't it?
Well, go up on top, come back down that. You don't want to turn around?
We can. I'm not
Because
scared.
you're on rock right here. I think if you just went driver hard, I bet you could get it to come right up on you. I'll spot you. He's a daredevil. And he's hard on the throttle too. Good thing you're quick on your feet.
Yeah. I was in front of it and I was like, oh crap, he's going now. Want to tell the camera the story of what happened?
Basically, I was coming out here about like 7:30. So I was coming up here. I was kind of just going slow right here, and then I wasn't really paying attention to my pedals, and then it stalled, and then it kind of just slowly started to slip down. So, but yeah, no, it was weird because I've done this trail like 8 or 9 times before, and never had it happen.
So cute. Come, buddy. You're so cute. How was that, Trevor?
It was freaking awesome.
Nice.
Lizzy has the fun job.
What's the fun job?
This.
Thanks for letting me do it, Lizzy.
You're welcome.
Got him out thanks to Turbo. Turbo Trevor. What about Turbo the dog?
Yeah, he's just along for the ride. Here's your shirt.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So we found the customer, went up to the vehicle, pulled it out. What were your thoughts on that?
Last night in the dark, he was probably thinking twice about why he had went that direction.
Yep. How was it being in it, Trevor?
It was a lot of fun. I envy your job, Lizzy. So
Oh,
if Michael's
thank
taking
you.
my job, I'm going to take your job. You got to take Matt's job.
You say it was fun, but
And we're just gonna-
I think you were scared in
I
there.
wasn't scared. I'm not
Because
scared.
he was scared.
We're going to kick Eric out.
What were your thoughts on it?
It was fun. Trevor scared me. I know that.
That's the life of a cameraman.
I don't know.
Welcome to...
I was moving to get an angle, and you're just like,
Yeah, that's what
almost ran
happened.
me over.
That's how Matt does it to me. He's breaking you in right, man.
Have I ever done that to you?
No, not on purpose. If they stick a camera in Trevor's face, he'll do something funny. Not today, people. You give it to me when I got a corn dog in my mouth? So we've got a call, a brand new Bronco with a bent tie rod.
Nice day, no wind, which is unusual. It'll get up to 80 pretty soon.
And then we've got Eric. He's not driving because he doesn't speak Corvair.
Transmission is definitely going out on this thing. Every time I try to get in, it shifts back to first and won't shift out. And then we've got our camera.
I'm sitting on a jacket right now because Trevor spilled my drink. It is what it is.
That's what you get, Michael, for making fun of me all the time.
What's not to make fun of?
I can drive a Corvair and like somebody else.
Let's get that shifting. What are we doing? We're not making fun of me.
So we made it out to Sand Hollow. This transmission is on its last legs. We usually have first, but sometimes it'll even go into neutral. We're lucky if we get second, and third is like a pipe dream. But we've got Hefe on standby. He's gonna bring the banana out to save us if we need to. So hopefully it doesn't come to that, but we'll see.
See that ledge right over there where the sand drops down? That's where we got that one this morning. The Nissan Xterra.
Well, it's on its last legs, Ed. We're just gonna cook it.
Trans temps are not supposed to be like that.
No, they're not. We called the Ford dealership to see if we could get a tie rod for it to do a quick trail fix, but there is a national back order on them, so they're like 2 months out. So Eric's got a plan. He's going to tell you about it.
Cut some pieces of pipe. We're going to take it out with a carnage welder, cut the tire rod, finish cutting it the rest of the way in half, and do a trail fix on here.
You guys ever manually push a wheel so we can just drive up the side right here?
Probably just try to winch it back and get everything lined up and weld it right here.
It's bent right on that thread.
Long blade or a short blade?
Just a short blade.
You gotta get these in series. We need something that close. So if you can get on the right side of it, as close as possible. So if you could just go right in here. So this suitcase welder is 24 volts, so we have to do a series connection between these two vehicles to get the 24 volts.
And we're through.
Oh, yes.
Got it?
We've got the tie rod lined up the best we can. We've got it sleeved with a smaller pipe for the inner tie rod and the thicker pipe for the outer tie rod. And then we're gonna nestle those in together, weld everything up, and we should be able to get out of here with it.
I'm gonna release this and see if it holds.
So right now, this has a better chance of making it out than the Morvair.
No, back. Straight out now for a minute. Yeah, right there.
We hold? My wheel straight?
Let's see. It's not perfect. We could adjust it and get it closer on that side.
We can get a tow truck to meet us at the bottom if you want. Take it over wherever you're staying. Way better than everywhere. There you go.
Thank you. So we made it up on the West Rim Trail, found these two Broncos up there, was able to get the tire rod end cut with the Sawzall and weld it back together and got them off there down to the pavement.
So we got a call for a enduro motorcycle out close to the Grand Canyon on the Arizona Strip. And so we are headed out there to get it. We're in Blue Steel and we brought a motorcycle ramp so that we don't have to take a trailer all the way out there and have more opportunities of blowing a tire. So we got Trevor at the wheel, got Tom with us.
Hello.
And we got Michael swinging a camera.
And
And we got the cute puppy Turbo. Hi, buddy. Oh, yeah. So we are going to head out to Colorado City, fuel up, air down a little bit, and then head straight south from there.
And here's Tom with the weather.
it's like 50 degrees today. It's sunny, a little bit windy, but it's a great day.
We're checking the tire pressure and lowering it so we have less of a chance of blowing the tire.
That thing's fucked up good. That's not going anywhere.
Hey, Turbo, come here. Come on. Hold up. Let's go. Right here. Right there. Get in. There you go. Well, we got it picked up, loaded up. Now we're gonna head back.
Thanks for watching.
These bathrooms give off a nice aroma.
You did not need to say that.